Dude, we don't need no handlebars, bro.
Hard, just grab on right here like a speed racer, bro.
Who is that, man?
Straight, bro.
Who is that?
You're straight, watch, wait.
Who is that?
Hello?
You call it the wrong time, man.
The fuck you do it again, man?
Dude, what brand is that drill? Milwaukee?
Yeah, bro.
No wonder. If it's D-Wall, that shit fucking sucks.
D-Wall sucks, right?
Does it for real?
D-Wall.
Hell yeah.
Man, these are best ones, man. These are brushless.
Either those or... Yo, she whack. She don't want to play PS4.
Who plays that?
That's what I'm saying, bro. That's garbage. Like, what the fuck?
What?
Because you could be playing with all of us. You don't want to play Xbox.
I mean, it's here, but...
Why you FaceTime y'all to play with you?
There's no good, man.
And plus the remote.
It's bigger, so the way you hold it.
Like this, and you go all the way up to here. And just like,
I don't like PS4 remote. I be hit. Dude, are they supposed to be bent back to that far, bruh?
What?
Are the fucking handlebars supposed to be bent like that?
Jim.
Dude,
Oh.
don't you have to put the spacer in the wheel?
What?
What?
I'm gonna fuck up. Yo, don't mix them, bro. Bro, you just mix them?
Yeah.
Bro, you really gotta put that in the wheel.
Give me a sec.
Yo, this guy takes part in like the painting and everything's like unpainted still. Like, what's the point?
Hey Nick, can I put some of this bloom on your ass?
Don't tease me with a big line. You're not supposed to.
I called the guy.
Where's the bolt,
The
man?
fucking bolt, man. You knocked me
Sure,
fuck out.
man. You fucking crazy.
You
Yo.
knocked it out, man.
It's like the Walmart bikes when you fucking hit the, when you bunny hop in Walmart and the handlebars go back. Is that because they lose his foot?
I just used to have the top bike. That's why my fucking stem was uneven as fuck. And the bolt got stripped.
Yo, when you guys went to a Carmen, man, call me so I can go on the show. I'll be like,
That's gonna be Brian.
Where you can just take Route 3 all the way to Clifton, bro.
Champ, man.
Dude, you need some fucking
Hey,
lights.
somebody has to stay behind me, man, because I'm about to lie. Somebody can hit me.
Bro. Dude, you gotta wire up some lights, bro.
You gotta buy some lights from AutoZone, man.
Bro, we got the Christmas lights. Whoa.
Yo, you don't even gotta wire them, bro. Just put them next to the battery, and when you put the battery clamp over it, leave that shit clamped.
Yo, man, I tied it too much.
What do you mean?
Why? It
It'll
doesn't
turn
spin?
around, man.
It won't spin?
No.
You missing the spacer or something?
That's just supposed to spin, nigga.
I'm sorry, alright?
Look, hold on, how do you know? That's what you're supposed to do, right? This is supposed to just clamp this. You're supposed to just clamp the sides.
You white.
Like push this one this way and push this one towards the forward. So you can hold this in the middle.
Nah, it's going, guys. Look.
Alright, right there, right there.
Leave that shit just like that.
Is it tight though?
We're gonna find out.
I don't know, man.
Brian's gonna find out. I'm gonna get on this shit and fucking break it. All the bolts will fall right over.
Jim, man, then you go
I'm gonna bust my ass.
You're gonna pay me, alright?
how long have been working on the bike?
As long as my fucking dick can grow. Bro, you gotta be honest, man. They're begging.
We're in North North.
Nah. Is
Yeah,
it?
this.
For real?
Wait, they bang it makes more noise?
No, I'm just saying.
No, that was
That's the typical townhouse move. They used to do that at my house. When I used to live in North. Yeah.
They used to bang you?
Yeah, man. Or when I went to like parties and shit.
Joe, man, we don't got no brakes, right?
Who said the bike is done?
Yo, I forgot how the shots go.
I hope you drew all over your shirt.
Ooh. I did that before.
I drew all the time on my shirt. Like, you know, fucking holding my lip. Yeah, my uncle be saying that shit. He's like our
Look.
age. Dude, she's our age with no eyebrows. Like,
Yeah, bro.
who's,
So
who's
like,
our age and has to draw their eyebrows?
this annoying ass girl, right? Look, you wanna see?
Joe, man, somebody, Joe, Marshall, find me.
Should I expose her, bro?
No, man, don't.
Oh man, just know she's ugly, alright?
She looks like my ass.
With some hair, a little bit of lines of hair.
My ass has more hair than her fucking eyebrows.
Your fucking daughters are gonna come out with no eyebrows.
Yo, you know how yo, I
Hold
had,
up. And
yo,
then,
you know when like you
Feel me, you got it. It says her name. That's right, we can crop this out. Block. Blocked.
Shovel bill finish.
Alright, sir, how much horsepower are you running?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell us about your bike, man.
400, man. 18 side only. I'll be out, man. Hey, do it quick. Come here. See this, man?
Yeah.
This is the throttle, man.
What?
This is the throttle, man. What?
Yo, what is that, bro?
What?
Whatever's clicking.
I think it's the seat or something.
Yeah, that shit don't stop.
No. I think it's stuck.
That's from having the motor upside down, nigga.
He got a rod knock. What the fuck is that?
That's from having the motor upside down, nigga. Huh? That shit puttering. That's probably from working that shit upside down, nigga.
Nah, nigga, it's saying it's moving out here. Hey, hey.
He gonna rip. He gonna.
Oh!
This shit's like a roller coaster, nigga. When they start, nigga, put it here, wrap it here, so it's fucking like you riding it.
Oh! Oh!
But wrap it there, so you can pull it there. Hold on to it, nigga.
I feel bad for people that gotta get up for work. We out here making hella noise.
Yo, why's your seat falling, man?
Falling?
Your seat's moving, man.
Yeah, man, I didn't put a pulse, man.
What the fuck?
Yeah, man.
Bolt that shit, dude.
I been doing a burnout for the veil, bro.
Alright,
Put a flashlight.
You guys ready?
let me see, man. They hit a fucking burnout.
It looks purple.
Ho, ho, ho.
Hurry up.
Man, we need some.
Go, go,
We need some water, man.
go. Go, go.
Oh, it's a car.
Is it? Yeah. Oh, I thought you said a cop, nigga. Dude, this seat's hot, bro. You fucking fart on it?
Yo, man, but.
Dude, why the fuck is it puttery? It's fucking
That's
sick.
why, man. Man, because I don't have the bolt for this, my nigga. And it
For what?
It's loose, man. The chain is loose.
That's not what was clicking though.
Yes, it was. Look how loose it is, nigga. I could take it off.
What are you tightening it with? What'd you tighten it
I
with?
need to tighten it with an air gun. I'm tightening it with a what's the
So tighten it with the brrr.
I don't have it, man. Only the guy over here, he lets me borrow it.
Come on, we go fix this right now.
He's not.
Hey guys, leave a thumbs up if you want to see my ass in the next vlog.